political parties iri banga atia towards mwaka yo 2027 na bearing in mind Kinyarware Devolution Conference ni kuambiria ntira tia Omabe tukethia tukolelia the advantages na disadvantages cia thirikari cia matura but first one twatwithia tukimureka biama bia siasa muno ndene ya county ya Meru tumini Meru kwina PNU kwina NOPEU kwina UMP kwina BAS tukumegethia kwina kiama kingi but bibia biama bira kumenya bia siasa no ngabingi bikia kuthira bikiyira arena batu kulukura 23578 namba yetu SMS through live kuri Facebook through live kuri YouTube ketha kithoma tumirtia kora tuwita na mbere na mubango karibu sana bwana Frank.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
asante sana bwana Edward anke bie mutegeri wa Weru TV kora kundeari na ndibere karibuni sana tumbe kwaranire this morning.
Now by the way Frank kurika no tubumwe Bwana wa Edwin kiongozi bware antuba tofauti na arora indabonere antoma bubele kama arema murengo yumo on a lighter note
murengo yumo in which
support sendi mwe mwenyewe supporter wa gavana Mutuma ora yangi supporter ora wetire
so inatwari tukithithagia a common thing together tutathithia you see uteo turathithia
nene buringi mbisa bure antu amwe
uteo turathithia political meetings na handling in support of His Excellency the Governor. Amo support kebwawe no ekarote amo support kebwawe inda monere aiki kampu kathuri murungi ai mo support amo support at personal level na nani kantu ire na kathuri murungi so politics is they are dynamic anything can change bari no tho no yo getha utino getha winonge siasa igwikara au
kenyo getha utina ori
na kinyo kano getha utinya na ori na arua no itho supportete muntu na nkoro na mwiri ruyo gethwa he has no value for you ruyo no itho urota na wina value kiwe no ukwenda. Politics is all about loyalty, rewards, faithfulness, honesty. Manto ya bwana. Siasa si manto.
Okay.
Siasa ni manto Edward. Omba useda we namba kenda iwe kiwasithe iwe sawa.
Kato kutheka sarcastically.
No, I'm going in politics, you no manko one just no manka expectations yaku chithiro ite urumo no kinyare okuriete. I was telling my people na thwende ndarombete na kinyori ndi no ngoromba teka ndareka kuromba ndabera atiri it is the will of God kuona biro kwenda na kinya waachia no wendi pa Mulungu womba kuona mea utuntu bukarikande kurine butina itomi bwana Edward and you should not utibatero kwa moyo utibatero chiorwa no ntobwa anything in this land Edward no idoreta wetete nya Nairobi oitengare wa kinyanthi oitenge wa oka barabegera ngare bakathete inya ba kuruma inyo kuruma wiyoro turutithia ngwe cia ndo wa uritie wikinyanthi mbio kwenda instinct cia muntu ni mwira womba witie womba kweyoka ukaromia ngare waringe wa mira ita ukithira ndareka ithano imbere yaro kaigwa ngare irekwa ukiomitie womba guthiwe ukari kafara kantuga wo ukari mugosi antu baraba kathira ende instinct ciaku na wendi wa Mulungu bukarika kuringana na urabangite te wa kubanga thai wa kubangire mene ya zangu na ndokoro isumbora imanto ya nthi bana Edward siasa ene ukawato stress ukorwanira siasa. There is one thing that I believe na kuronto bombiteketie na mbiteketie uimbiteketie the word of God beyond anything else. Utemtu mbitekia ndeye utemtu umba ukuthithiria bora ruteto rwa mother rumba ukuthithiria ake. And I believe Jeremiah 29 and verse 11, he alone knows the plan. Wenkake nande nyo wache na kuona ukaromba ukaona ukaromba uachia. It is a plan from long time ago naichie nde kinyambera antu ba mama bakarira muno God knew bo naichie. Plan of God was the miaka ile na ite yu yare mubango wa Murungu yote changeka. So mi mbendete kulia nde nkianairwa ni ibira byakarikire nonto 2022 nde wachia mbera antu banatho kabera ibo apere ndu mbera Murungu ibo ya ntachindire itara ngabanora orariku ketha kai kuringwa rware ngenda kuria no uri porware nde MCA la imbera ngaibo ya nonto by that time tonere na inya wo tonere tuwatu kwera Murungu ibo ya
kwege ma kietu
na ira tokiona this is size to because you know ko bro believe in no te change ende ya we oigo get away sniper ende it is very important kwera Murungu ibo ya ke manto yonde. So in politics kiore kiwomboria politics are dynamic. Tundre you know one woro kwe na mutongeria fulani na kuibangi nyaba moro ankuruki no gethe ibo gethe baria kwe nkuluki nyewo. So that one should not worry you, because in politics we mwana siasa you need raw people. Orenda bara bai baku no orenda kinyabara batari baku. The most important thing nindiro kwenda bara batari baku dare omenye baubari baku kinyabo. They are so important. You should gather them, stay with them and work with them.
So kile with the dynamic. Frank, you nuri ndetena kathuri murugi muchore okwo.
Of course.
Mporo abori wiki amene.
My party leader.
Your party leader,
yes.
Right? Now mutumantu here. How do you juggle these things?
Uto kuromba kionge kibo badatu utewe kibo badatu. One, why do I support His Excellency Kadhuri Murungi? Why do I support him? Why do I love him? Kadhuri 2022 woni ndari kiamene kya NOPEU ande mutongerio kiama kya NOPEU but indandifire directives chekiama ndra ikira kala chiako cha NOPEU ngaitembe ukampinira Kadhuri na Lentore na Kailemia, the three of them Naruto kure kwa yondere yundi inope wake yari MCA.
So itiketi yake wari niyo ya
itiketi ndari niyo mbati woni 100% ndathiulungi ndaritirite mithika ngui yangu manthu captain utese tha captain. I fought for him. I used to bring people ndaiba wo pinga captain utheri onkarara kwaku rogere ndi na wake captain ndaiba wari anteto itu ko ni captain royo ndi na wo kirengo lunch au detete ke captain tura change ya anto tura barabara andamanti barabara tendro muibwa my ntekwenda to mention people by their names, but some of the great friends by captain by Gembe North, I can confidently say a number of them I convinced them. One of them being my great friend and in-law, Etawan Joseph Nkil, Balasarun Kuruba, Stephen Ngai. Bonde, we went one day, Muchamani Yuma to Arena to more than 90 who in the Gembe North. How can you go? Nta tetera captain Kadhuri na Kailemia. They watch it. After like October nara, Kadhuri called me. Kadhuri adwana ya kanthithagia mutundu yani maybe chemical nini in his thinking me athanagia atai it's my natural hair ndata ici bonjure cia kwa ikario we ndathanagia kanthithagia kamutundu he spoke so nicely to me ambira Karuti you see I'm giving reason why I support love him ambira Karuti tekwenda kamutundu kau kathuka ngura ile something little ukiwa mukuru ure twatubanga na itie mugona rugwa twega boya so that's how I got in Kadhuri's office and we have been there helping akithomethia na babonde athomethete through Kamashirani Foundation. I am been there working weta witia kwinama uteonteta to tethagia those less fortunate children na yes nothing they think ngoro ciana baba ingi. That how we met and that's how we have been working with Kadhuri to yaringe ukombo Meru we to tembea safari ino ai kifua mbele ai mbere na aratongeretie kuthauka kwa Meru na ai oversight number 1 iyo ikaisha. So I have never collided with him. He's a friend and not just a friend. Mtu ndikire thimwe kwa Karinga, mtu ndikire nkamura thithio ntaka thithie and dear friend. Then General Mpuru Aburi is not just a friend. Ankwire, I want to confess. Baba ange bonde ndi yonde politicians no tokosane abo. Puru lakini kiaguka twakosana Mpuru ntiroma ntetera tukosana matokabu tutikorona na tuyokosana completely. He holds a place in my heart. He's a political leader. He's my not just a friend, a father. So oranti kosana mzee Karuti ibonte mbokosana Mpuru ngiakuba ini mbonde want to bring anything in between me and Mpuru ntiroma nyantetera because I know he holds that part portion yera emotiariera. So I know a father blessing. Now in the scholar Bible bana in the Bible bana and bichi what can happen when our father speaks. So no in politics kinyaba kosana now kanau we nyoge agweri kwa nteto cia Mpuru negative when I'm around then count yourself my enemy. Anto dedicate I can dedicate okay uta motiari ari. So that's how I have worked with him. He's a dear friend and a father. So bange bonde in politics. Bange bonde in politics. And everybody else in politics. Bonde. Utewa tutemenana no. Ekume eura differences ti ya no tumenane. But Mpuru tutemenya kumenana. Enyaka ibo akenda tumenana mea bombere atenda we ngwa atenda. Because you tebomba kumenana na mutana. As even we move around in politics, it is always good muntu kuelewa na ata Karuti maneuver baba ange bonde no to athukane and do you forever and ever tutekora athukana no ora Biblia iwe we bagathurana niku ne anga twatia nau tukatuya tutekona. But in terms of politics guru let it be known to everybody muguru tutemea watu
and now mutuma the governor.
And now the governor of Meru, His Excellency the governor. Indira vina yonekere Meru, my friend, to be very categorical. And to bambere wikira speaker ngarine, ubambere buru. And to bambere wikira speaker ngarine, vina eru utonya Meru. Imuntu eta wakarote na mantele. You remember very well.
True.
You can review.
No,
you can review. No lelie one. We did it for 1 month. Non-stop. Monday to Sunday. Monday to Sunday. Day in, day out. Turadio runga embe reonde. Mwanka turadiri mudhara. Mudhara yoto direri. twe muthara yo tochemanirie na other team that day iro tochemanirie na kida Julian Mbijewe tochemanirie na Kalembe na arege ndro bwana Kalembe is a fighter ikariga nawe Kalembe really fought. He really fought. So iro tochemanirie na Mbijewe Kalembe uyos Kalembe na Mbijewe and kwa sore Mbijewe are nabo tochemania mairi thatu we went to Lare Kangeta Muriri then Muthara twathiriria au bachoga na tutochoga mbere yetu turochoga turendelea na the fight mwanka turawende twete Meru iro toyire Meru tochemania na other team. That's how we started fighting for His Excellency the Governor na mzee Mantile. So His Excellency Pambere Minister Reverend na Reverend my father is a reverend.
Oh, a missionary.
Ikuan. They want them Ikuan. So Eshma ile nimepatia mzee Karuti pastor. Ndio Eshma nimempea reverend. Mutumanto edingia. Secondly, every muntu vera ambo muinichia ate kiburi, he can listen to you, and that's how I got to know him. Natamwelewa beyond poranta muichi 2022 because tamuringereta kura na nrombere buru na convince na tamwirare tamwira buru babare riu ndare amithika mno tamwira mseonge neire na katore kundi iwo ndamwirire wo endre kuona kikweya ndaguma moto na mau hua wetogethera. And that's how we became friends, and now he gives me yes na generally he has good intention for our county. Na good intention cha county yetu. So kadhuri te mondo mutuma kadhuri te mondo mporo kadhuri te mondo
so wale tiekwe krea chora badatu.
Of course now teo weti eteke ongi Narua Kadhuri is the Senate of Meru. I support him 101%. Tundre Mutuma is the governor of Meru. I support him 101%. Mporo, he doesn't need my support. The support for him is guaranteed. It cannot change.
So take for example today.
Baba angebonde, it can change. Lakini Mporo, it cannot
take
change.
For example today.
Yes.
Drikare Mutuma yako yukia as an officer. Weko Kadhuri Murongi. How will you maneuver this?
Katutari toturari si tumekuwa tukisaidiana. Yeah, you see, if you seek my advice, and if you seek my counsel, and if you send me somewhere, kakwena thina iriko witan karoma nkauwa His Excellency the Governor na antumire na Kadhuri na antumire ake ondringira thimu ambira kiathone kiu nkethaniria ngutuma itundu giakwa ndikuraya. Is there any problem? Ntikona kende giari yagayeta bonde akauwa senator women re kinyari batiku na baka I see governor doing the same. Na kwa risia MP akarisia senator akauwa bateu kui bokori onana unless ntugiroga ibo baringana bo bathatu lakini mporo bamwege onara bakareta mporo ke mix lakini baba ange bonde His Excellency the Governor and the Senator of Meru ntukwira ukaibo baikane meambo ekuringana ombetea omburi where is your loyalty?
But for now,
manto yonde constant thai anto baubendrene they are brothers. No kuiwa Kadhuri most of the time akiwa uterenge anto bathwanagia senator na ngavana aba batere kwithwa bakiruya bate batere kurwato babatere kuritira mwananchi ngui bakiwatana ira wakithithagia oversight na push mbeca kuma Nairobi akaretero uyu aka implement uyu yaka oversight akona mea senator is like Androna akureta ira mbeca wa performance boya there is no problem ikiendelea flow wale performance boya baka withdraw tisa sawa now senator is looking for money from Nairobi akaretera his excellency ya MERU his excellency aritithi mbeca ngui then twetete mbere uti mwanasiasa utichi utala mathabu uti mwanasiasa ikuno nani ama nani kinya his excellency mutumanto bareona yaka mtu mwana kama ni mtu hivyo tu atekuelewa siasa imbi my friend uti mtu utichi utala thabu ya siasa it is a matter of time na ndi kwira atiri Kadhuri Senator MERU as we are speaking we are supporting him na ito amuishi very well trendete tika CS mono to akendete mono ntame akithake kaya gakite but turare na nkoro na mwire tuiririre tikiya
inya babu ya gaburere rio ntubo kare gabutika reko kugo ito mini Frank you see itige again by election itige Senator MERU
Enegete yaka ka thoki to etia
tutare abu DCP baraya barua dikire ni
DCP aba imuru
dikire ni DCP baraya barua atire
ke yeba
iberie kinankanirwe na baba fiundi mto
eni
boni thirikari MERU tiyo
boto kwendro ibuturenda u kinya thirikari ne batero test water neteka MERU ne test waters ne muyukie but muyukie ba mwera we have taken you and now deliver the Senate seat to us atumira bibi ondari kwa kishete Senate giochoka ke thirikari
lugore kaka nkerwa UDA icho
my friend MERU dutiringaira kya makura MERU itiringaira kya makura no kone tumageke MERU yonde una MERU itiringaira bya makura ngo tu Igembe North etare mujumbe wa UDA no TMC o UDA nyoma wiku ete Igembe Central etare mujumbe on Jubilee ya tarabele MCA ban Jubilee baubange bonde muy PNU enge imbasi so Igembe South ne onka une record kiri embere onde uriana ya tara mujumbe o UDA na MCA bele ba UDA so MERU nyatha tu na Biama MERU batiringaira kiama baringaira mtu kwe mtu wekero ke DCP akawathe mocherukiri kwe mtu wekero ke DCP akoloke the mocherukiri kwe mtu wekero ke NOPEU akoloke ate pingi so Biama tebio
so political parties don't matter
MERU bieko ko uteta uteta assembly MERU kona they don't UDA yumireo ya MP bana batano tigania bele umwe yembe bele tibathatu imenti bele kirema na rindikiri 5 the rest party mwanya NOPEU Jubilee na Raim independent so we Raim arimbi
are independent
yes
true.
So MERU itiringaira Biama so kinya akiewete aikana sure you ankuire etera 2027 yukona what the Biama bionde uteke kaachie muntu kinya gira ke family uteke amagete ona muntu kono kionde MERU kila chama itapata mtu assembly ya MERU
so gakudra Biama bitina fainda MERU biteku tamainu kare ukwetha MCA kataro MP imbia MERU banganga ndete ko bwithi political parties nyingi
I don't know I wish we can be like Lower Eastern kana Northeastern yekera yo UNDM cho bonde baguma UNDM yo bonde ikamba kinyaketha ba chap gaiku utewekera Kalonzo asuipite 29 ya MP na MCS Kithumba I wish all of us we can join hands tokaria nyume mtu mwa MERU but it is very hard onto kila kinjinji kirenda gwithwa kina njogo wo embe wo kwanza batu manto yaya mari ya thatu o kuntu kwina kingpin yo imenti ba kwenda wo tiania wo embe wo ndi kwatuika kingpin tibi wo bithatu
bati embe ritikiama tell me
ritikiama lakini
tiania menya tukea tiania kwina mpuro aina NOPEU right kwina PNU ya Peter Munya we imenti kwina bus ya Kiraitu Kawira UMP so brabatina bomba kwa batina kia ome bibo kura kingpin nanga rutera ruembe yake
batu turia ke view batu na to the builders the pillars biu kibiu tutu iko muno basi na MCA ba nembe Kithumba Kangeta na Egembe East na Ntobeto Kiongo na Mwathi Iwimbas Pate Egembe South Utio Mbas
Kangwana no kia make
PNU
okay.
So this parties unless we join hands to the MERU then to aita we can maybe no to deliver MERU as a team to make it but it is next to impossible kama ke MERU bobo mono kinya yundie ke thwa na candidate na bakona kura na Jubilee yo uru na nyawundie mwe Raila MERU tege amagitithara geku but we are very democratic.
So let me ask you this. Peter Munya na kiama kaya kia PNU kwena fununu kieta kumerua
igete na
kieta kumeru Jubilee
Munya na tuthuriri atwitira intri interim athogeri muno athogeri buru na ibo tutwira tumwendete Munya tutwira tumwendete 100% turi antu bembe kunge kuonda utego untu aringirwa kura yora tumuringa irembe lakini antu a celebrate mwembe mutono ina kuonete athogeri pio atwita interim meate mutumetere interim ne antu bembe na antu bembe ibaise ko reward loyalty baba they know how to reward they know they support him 100% tomu support ena ndeputore to nyacha is slopes muriungi na tutathura Munya not even a single day I thought Munya ke reciprocate ku support mutuma 100% akawa let the son of Egembe deliver mo support na mo tips lakini Roma kilengo ene akawa MERU entagene kinyantu kwengera South menti were MERU intageneri dole keke kinyore ende dai MERU were to no to intagene that is so much entitlement ireoro mono that is too much that's yan kwa so much entitlement teke chogeria ni kyako no abatero blind na antu begembe akethirwa yambu na akarika kwa arrogant akamenya inya mwana wembe no akarirete kyangapana with all due respect na tekan ku ibobo ibwawe lakini ndira kuthiurunga akiwa MERU intakeneri jogeri inde mechoki ara yari mutuma ka uchoge MERU ayari as we are talking is trying to do things today stand ya mure promise I governor maua it is coming to reality now criticize woko kakoromone kwa thoko imbia kwenda tokero 800 million ire thoko yetu ni antu ba Marisabeth Mandera Isiolo they come here tutethwa twina kintu modern ihitenerera mutuma
thoko impoka kitendega
surely itio kwa we ya wanga bana kote muringa irampe kwa na utetheria ikitha kwire So the most important thing, you don't shine. Ute shine ina kwa oria kando cia antu bangi. Ate shine ya oria kando mwana wembe one kuthara. Ate shine. Abatere kuwirirwa kando uya akanite. No twithere mutiania kenda gwora twa miakania na kando uya embe yakanite. Movement ya support mwembe, mutiania support movement. Twinde we are brothers and sisters. Don't celebrate gwora kwa kando mtungi. I don't like terms ira utumira. Meru nekia miete kwirete tete boya thaika twetete boya muno thai twetete boya muno investors are all over keno rustendia mwatu twetete ochokerua mail want mutuate almost there mawa ni royurire Meathen hospital ingorobe wokwa
Karuti, let me ask you this. Ukware mantu ya mutuate. Imagine rekurire mutuate no ntu mutuate niyo itite kuona ni ya utungata bayo bo kimomwire ki devolution conference.
His Excellency the Governor mutuma kuume kurura thiete mutuate. All the procedures ire withigite mutuate successful. Chionde utekinye moyo areta thina. That is one. Two, you see mutuate is so popular. Anto boyo na upo na mathina ya maingi. But the handling and the care era ikuthana ni mutuate health center is on another level. So mantu ni wendi bwa nkoro muntu gutethia me athie tera ni ratwiro ne tari na into uyo akwe ya kuthithia haraka ikuona into akwanjiria woka mail want. You see, so what we are saying currently, Meru did it. If Meru get my brother, you walk around, you just see. But antubetuba hotels, but chiraba did kuma tariki kuma last week. Mwanka tari 16. My friend kinyam to akainga kiume kiuki kionde aka antu roda baita kumama. Benefit iraba make it to still sustain the hotels around Meru. Do you know the hotels in Meru chionde icho yuri da yo to teri tio yuri. Na chukuru chieto kinya chicho yuri mami mwanka baita kuria kokorara chuka darakanivi. So all our hotels around here zimejaa hivi. Why? Because of the peace and the environment. Utem tutendete ko mama anto kote koringo etuma. So Meru is peaceful. We are enjoying a lot of things today. Na mutuma ka underrated. People should not underrate mutuma at all. They should not.
Ogologera mutambo ya Facebook Kuna Victor Mutethia riwa hello bwana Mutambe salimia Karuti Frank sana. I agree with Frank that walikuwa wa kwanza na Matile kuweka speaker kwa gari na kwenda Meru yote Kigunda Toraibuta. Adwa Karuti is a known fighter. Soldiers must be saluted now and forever. Give this man flowers now. Treat your men as your own beloved sons, and they will follow you into the deepest valley. Presence 32 Adwa Honorable Franklin Karuti Jr. Good work. Njitume zaidi. Aka umetoka mbali. Remember, Buintere Tia Sagana. MC Ken Mwanangari he speaks his name. Very frank.
Thank you, sir. So, kiwa mboria kia utingwewa these people, my friend, ankwere people rewards loyalty. Loyalty is paid. Loyalty is rewarded. No ke akuona mtu uteko reward loyalty inyoga miote na wete ito forever. So loyalty is rewarded. We want to kuira our friend. Na batere kumea we rewarded. Actually, to be very sincere and very frank. Tunde lentore akethai ngavana Meru. Tunde as we are speaking. Lentore akethai ngavana Meru.
So bibi iririe.
Bibi iririe ikura cia munya. To be very sincere. Na ntubembe batere kumenya kau kamurungu aturikanite. Airirie buruto ewa kura ngiri 28 ikia waruka githatine kia lentore lentore no ke angavana 2022 na inya lentore na batere kuria akirika na kau oke akoro moinjo ka wona murio ka thongotha abati kuona.
So are you saying short munya karo ya na bembe
ntawa karo yabo?
No, wait atri no kaurite bambere atri.
Yes,
or netre the current governor interim mirandi yondera kureta na kuroneo no boiririe mithika governor.
Of course.
What are you saying?
I'm saying if it was not for him kitha toe onraivatire kura tia tiania araua niewe orikuo. I am telling the truth today. Mithika akiangavana wa Meru unigere mithika o muri kuria na atiri, and I know Lentori knows this very well that kuricha tumire twachiete niriko. My friend muntu aringire campaign na meri thatu mbere ondere ra convinced ya muringera kura 100%. Then the CS agriculture that time araua no and ichienu abo kaendi and that's how Mithika lost. And today areta His Excellency interim achoketa michamani yondera weta ariwa Meru itete boya ndani nimbete thiboya hapana na batere give the flower where it's due. Na rara tiaku Meru itete boya arambere kinya thaye itete boya. Let him be very frank, naye mkweli wa mambo, aseme ukweli wa mambo, awe atiri narua kwina thiri narua unanona ibokarika tetha ndi turete kandrebene na waziri wa CC finance royo kuthukite just the other day. Things are happening. So instead ya kuwa Meru yo stabilize Meru yina njota ne kuthara antu aringira His Excellency mpewa is doing very well. Athi urungeta na aita chiete yake kuthana royo akiwa Meru itete boya njogerie ni ndemete thie boya. No. Give credit where it is due. And that's why we are supporting His Excellency. And I want to say this. Antuba mutuma ne lewe bobo ya mono na kendra. I want to say this with all due respect. Kendra mtu wende lewa where is Meru. Mutume there the injustices in this county. Injustices of our highest order. Injustices ire viveketa kono Meru ye na kundispai. Bibi otoma wibwa tuweto interim ni ikomenerua kwa the highest order. Nanteko preach in divisive politics, nanteko ede kwadhorana anybody with the people of Igembe. But ndenda mwembe agarinde awateka neleweka. My friend, I come from Igembe North. Injustices ire idhikete kire the three regimes ire ikolokete kire antuba Igembe North. And antuba Igembe North, I want you to open your ears and listen to me very carefully. Ke mandreba ya kaunti ya Meru mandreba 222. Ndreba mo mana yele ya mirongwele nele ke Meru kirara asimba kibwe. Injustices ira ithithikite kire thirikari ithatu ikulukite itia kirachi ke urumono. Ke mandreba 222 igembera nothi. Ndreba ibele and if I do one mutanochi 2 drivers Igembe North ya nora yana Igembe Central ndereba ba county ke ndereba 222 pateana mwanja Igembe South ke ndereba 222 pateana 10. Injustice of highest order. CEO pasagas. Tarea tura mbere. Tuare na CEO MYS. Though it didn't speak so much. It is now that mbere anaure anare on the chida to Thaĩ nende twĩna acting CEO mbere. Athana nĩ twi Mutuma. Hakubu. Likambondi. Weso. So, when His Excellency is trying to correct the mess, someone is saying interim. Someone is saying Meru intakene. Igembe South yana oyana. Negembe iringaniri tionde chithatu. Iteona CEO. Nende ironero mbere akubwa lika. No gararia. Yaro mearo mane agratas. Nditeke agwa turomane tutangasa nithi. Ndereba bele. Igembe no thia na oyana. One. Igembe no thia director. Haina. Omweo, parite omweo. Injustice ire itwire kuthithu nyuma employment itwire kwandika no bwe mono, and I want this to sink kire nkoro cia antu bembe kenda muntu akiya oboruma abweta interim abweta bonoko bomuria atiri indira kwari na municipal council indira kwari na the first government, the second government, and the third government mbere mutume ya inatwari in terms of employment. So I am not trying to preach against any person. Ende kan kuatiri mutuma ka correct injustice. Kuonde he is correcting everywhere. Ara muntu imenti inyeletwe Mutuma is correcting. Ara mutiania inyeletwe Mutuma is correcting. Ara mwemba inyeletwe Mutuma is correcting. That why ya kuthithia ilwonto kwena equalization fund. Nera chogere itara Mutuma equalization fund. Imerundi. Inatoka kwa national government imerundi. Yao na mwene mwanga ambia. Mutuma is not pro any area. Angawini nembendre anto ibakoreta narate. No. Mutuma na netie all the three subtribe chietu chithatu ivi. Why? Eta ken directorate chia wechi onde. Just check. One. Utege gendanto batege kuwa Mutuma is tribal. Ukumeke directorate in the office of the governor. In the office of the governor. Directorate chia wechi onde. It is only Lekeyoke who comes from Igembe. Where is now ina Mutuma mtu wa kwadhurana villages na ntora wa windronjire winton. No. Mutuma is correcting the mess.
So before Sutare Kimobango,
we must speak the truth, and the truth will set us free. So Mutuma is not as people think. Oraba mweta interim, ba mweta bonoko. No, we have a sober governor trying to mend, comment, kuwata nithia, bila unikangi, kukuche barabara inde aba itetheti euro. That is what is happening, and governor must be given respect by anybody. Ora wendo kwenda korombete na girombe with heshima.
Now, what's your take? Kiama kia bas kidrite kiwa ibo ene governor ibo mo support mo the end na iti tiare tu akia large na retie kreito murunge na retie. What's your say kana opinion yeku about kiama kia bas kwa batwe governor Mutuma wetu?
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Iboya. You see, ute mtore a supporting the Kenya oni mbasi an supporting ro no pe ngwe iwa buruta tonga mama. What there is basket identify na weya watiri baatu tuweke amakia ambasi tutero omia mtu. We are supporting His Excellency the Governor. Why? Because he is able. Itokuona abwithe bona. And we say ongera kwa mbasi. NOPEU, we categorically send through our party leader and our party officials that we are supporting the governor. That is well and good. Nandre na ngundi Ciaca Cia Biama bielo rindi. Kia NOPEU na kia ambasi. Na kinya thirikari no support His Excellency the governor can deliver to the people of Meru. So we have no problem with that. Ute mtu ute ndeta kintu kikia. That why mbas bakuua NOPEU kaua thirikari kaua. So they want to associate with this man because he is good. His reputations are thick. Atena corruption issues, atena tribal, atena roko, atena baginjia kama tete chianto. No. Mutuma is clean.
Yeah.
And that's why everybody want to associate with him. Baba go to tena skando Ciaca ba. Tumanto hapa na pale. Mutuma is very clean, very new. Hapo. So we want to go at it. Let everybody come. Bonde ibeye. Kinya baba kwenda bakarute batura ba ukuma. Kinya bo ibeye. We understand. That one we understand that. And we will be happy and glad to invite them. Pa support munene. We can support munene batu. To inara because we understand.
So kinya pinzani barabara na bonde ibeye.
Ibeye. Bonde inyakawira. Everybody kinya munya. Let them come. Let them support His Excellency the Governor to deliver to the people of Meru. But we need KARUTI. Me as FRANKLINE with KARUTI, I'm very comfortable and very okay. When others come and support him, lakini tute kwenda mban Roman. Meagwe mban Roman. Mban Roman. Well, that's what I'm saying. Let everybody come, but no to reverend aina kirundu can discernment. He can discern. Nichekwe mtomba kwe yawa yeto okay na kirete interview ndo are na wiki rarwenu nyawa kwa. So he's a man of God. He can discern. Thank you very much. Mboria kingi.
Finally.
Yes.
Sniper.
Yes.
Almost 2 years.
Oh.
Mami. So Monte Sniper yakinyare.
Sniper is our hero. Sniper is our champion. And may so rest in eternal peace. Sniper na play a hero in the deliver of Meru and the freedom that we have. Through Sniper, dread kwe mantu ya maingi mono ya chipukire Meru. Na ito itekia natoka tuina wirigiro ati the death of Sniper will serve justice kireana bawe ki mwekurowe na ki family members. Sniper to amuro ke tarehe 22 mweri yoenana.
This month. That is the plan that is there. Na this week we are intensifying the plans. The government is aware and the people are aware that ito kwenda kunoge mweri ya Sniper tarehe 22 mweri ya inana Friday, and we are calling upon the well wishers and to barabonde bakumenya bura Sniper etherwe and tora Sniper akulokirirwe borwera aurirwe. We are calling upon the people of Meru. Kure antu bethiri to bae so much concerned na bakiura gire Sniper akaurukwa. Now we are calling upon them that ito kurukia Sniper mweri you nana you. And I'm calling upon the people of Meru that thirikari through His Excellency the Deputy President ionere ibwega kuokerana ba Sniper nja na nyomba ni royure. Nandri kore antu nyabenda yite ko benda yaka nini one drops ko antu ba utensils na ibo kwenda kinyabwe kwa patent pasu ya hiro we to apasire na oroero dhinene kore antu betha robeso kore antu betha beso mad that Sniper ata urukwa up to date na benda urukwa mono. Now I'm calling upon them. I'm calling upon the people of Meru. Patongere tuinya I can even mention like my brother Jack Smart. Jack Smart is our municipal manager of Maua and a good friend. I know he can do something. Kinyawa noete na umuchi akawango fix this one. Atia fix medha au anaenda. The other people barabe dirito in this course forever. Like our friend
watia West Wind wa muthamia kanise karutite yau ikirei interview au ahekira kangata ethirito so passionate about our brother, he can do something, let's equip kinya batu no to equip now the house, and then now ithandukuriyo rollers mbana chio what do we need bila tokwenda ibya korea wantuku wiu kwi mugurumba gwithwena ndrewewe no ntobwa ora sniper arwirire Meru nomba na mukuru na uagwe ya ndrewa kwi wina nthenge na ya nthenge kwi wina nduka no nto I remember sometimes back kama no during the Christmas kama no did wonderful shopping for the family ara winto ibiero I don't remember in Abiari there I picked and then we took to the family. His Excellency the Governor has done shopping even when they are rated in Arakiri family don't quite let the well wishers come in, let akina kanini everybody bonde ibareta bya Korea wanikiri ndrin tuku tukaengiria tungiengiria sniper and then sniper na anapele na mwana mweta wa Governor Ritore yawe na kuna the young girl I don't remember the name na madam kaileme na ere madam wa sniper nguyara ofisi na yawe though it's not permanent, we are trusting on that maybe the assembly or the county government will remember her uraba wire, but what we are saying as now dari nande interim chair kubanga actually the interim I and the chief of staff Julius Mbijewe, we are the co-chairs kiri kubanga the Mbariu, so I'm calling upon the people barabe na namba yekwa tebambikira mbecha bambikira mbia ibandringire baimbira uni inkorita muchere nkonia ithatu uni inkorita muchere nkonia inya uni inkora sukari uni nkwethia u then we channel our contributions kiri namba ya mwekuru wa sniper no treasurer kiri group yetu ya WhatsApp na baraba kwenda kundeliver and things no nto furnitures cha nyumba nambi they can do that, still they can call, they can no be through kinya wewe ba connect and through another person uraba kumya is I came bangwe our chief of staff as the co-chair, we have Madam Irene Sniper as the treasurer, and we have Mheshimiwa Kabamuri as the coordinator together with Mheshimiwa Ali and Madam Doris as the Mheshimiwa as the second treasurer. So itoko banga madhiko tarik 22, and I'm calling upon the people of Meru, the well-wishers, to stand with the family as we rest the remains of sniper na baraba kwenda nande kuoya na botwana bathomethia uro kwenda kuoya kau nkathomethia mwanka university uro kwenda kuoya ka mwale wa nkathomethia mwanka university kinyawe the draw is open.
Wow.
Mwari yoruri nande I want to confirm to the people of Meru that tukauruke sniper tariki 22 mweri yoenana na itokuri assembly Meru yuri barabara emwe dene Meru kana inyigire ire to sniper round turigana sniper maisha yawe yonde no ntobo mantu yara athithirie kiru ukombozi bwa Meru.
Tukire kiria karuti parting shot turiki mubango.
Thank you very much bwana Edward. Only from where I sit we are doing very well kiri county yetu ya Meru, and we are telling His Excellency the Deputy President iboya mono no ntobo kwithirwa ai chokera Meru eita no ita na mbira antu betu wa Meru. This is the high time to support the government ya His Excellency Mutumanto Ethingia na tuita support thirikari ya Mutumanto Ethingia tuita na mbere kinyano karia antu baraba utwendera mantu ya meya ndene ya thirikari yi intobira tukoretwo national government itubioya with joy kaitene katuri na inkwenda kwira my dear brothers and sisters barabari the Gen Zs woni nawe itweli twaguluga category batu tu millennial
batu turantu pa kwathana kirira.
Yes, we are past that. Ndibere it is good biraba kwa agitate na bora bethirito bai frontline kuthetera ndiguru yetu ya Kenya, lakini ndibere nete yokinene bakenda antu bara bati part and parcel ya kuthetera Mukenya na kuthetera Meru au kuma abathukiria ritwa kutwika the goons that are coming bakathuki into bietu bira turuite for long kupimbiundi batuthukiria na ndibere muntu kinyaga thurana nethe ati ithache nyomba no tabagararanja. That is what we were told by Bishop yesterday, Apostle Ben. Kana muchiari ya guthuria byakora byeriko utyo yasulio matoka nyo byakora byeriko bange bagarara buna nya wotiria watura. The most important thing, let agitate for change in the right manner. Ito the manto bora yagite ito criticize the government of the day ito yana positive criticism era ya atoma muntu correct ero aiko thugite correct ya correct yo karingambe areo correct tugendelea kuwa wo kinyake the leadership yetu ya Meru nambi we accept positive correction na kinya Biblia ni you hate correction is a fool but he who loves correction is wise. Na inkuwa we are open. Anybody is open for correction. So thank you very much. Mwathani abutharimia boike manto amea. See you another day, another time. And to beto barabete ite Homa Bay for Revolution Conference. We wish you njane masses. May the Lord protect you and keep you. Asante.
Wow. Thank you Frank no tubokona kanya. Asante sana. Kiri bora bonde bokari kirimbo bwangu yu bora bombo to mantumiri chio bora ku watch online na TV ne. Asante sana na untuba wendo bora bwenda bwo kiri kibindi kine kinya kiri Wero TV. Tuweta nambiro kumedya mwantu kiri mitandao yetu kiri nteto chetu chia mwanja 7:30 na 9:30. Dhiro na tukuembea na kiumia kea pita wa mutembea dot.
Thank you.